Alright, man, we roll.
Hello, my name is Monse Blanks, and today what we're going to do is waterproof this toilet room in here. Now what we've done right now is just put our thin set down. What that is going to do is act as a leveler and also as an adhesive for our waterproofing membrane right here. Now this is completely waterproof, so this goes in our bathroom whenever you want to do your hardwood flooring. You know, I would advise you put some type of waterproofing membrane, even if it's not direct contact. You know, over the years, as far as moisture and everything else, you don't want to actually belly this subfloor right here, then it'll go to your upper floor. So what we're going to do is just lay this out. I've already done the cutout for the tub, for the toilet. We'll just lay that right in there. Roll this out. And what I've done is pre-cut it. So everything should fit pretty well. You get this orange membrane laid down. And then you smooth her out. And what this does, get your trowel and you completely smooth her out. Just make sure all your mesh on the back side of this orange membrane is adhered properly. Look at that. That looks really good. That's how you know you got some good cuts. That's how you know your floor has been leveled. Now this is just preparation for our actual floor installation. But whenever your contract does something like this, you want to make sure they take the time and make sure your different steps and your levels are done correctly. Like I said, you always want to make sure your floor is waterproof in any bathroom. If you're not doing tile, well, even if you are doing tile, you want to make sure floors are waterproof.